Here are some of the activities that all of us find ourselves doing each and every day and are causing harm to our teeth. Number 1 is brushing right after eating. This is actually wrong and should not be attempted. This is because brushing immediately after eating, especially acidic foods, can damage enamel. Wait at least 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. The second mistake is avoiding to replace your toothbrush. The American Dental Association stated that it is advisable for an individual to replace a toothbrush after every 3 months of use. This is because as time goes by the bristles lose their inefficiency and it is advisable to buy a new one. For those who actually brush aggressively, you are advised to replace earlier. The third mistake we all find ourselves doing is using the wrong technique of brushing. It is advisable to brush at a 45-degree angle to the gums for optimal cleaning. Do not brush up and down, as this will not remove the food remains that normally accumulate in between the teeth. Another mistake we all do is taking less time in brushing. If you brush under 2 minutes, you are making a mistake and that needs to change. Whenever you take less time to brush, you avoid hitting all angles and getting all the food remains out. The other mistake we all do is storing the toothbrush in a wrong way. Toothbrush should be stored upright to air dry and avoid bacterial growth, so please next time as you finish brushing, place the brushing side on the upward side. Let's all look after our teeth and ensure proper hygiene. Follow our YouTube channel at Global World, as our goal is to help people in our day-to-day life and keep up with changes as time goes by.